It is 4:15 in the morning. The world is silent. The sky is still dark. Your house is quiet, but the kitchen light is on. You sit with your family, holding a glass of water. You are sleepy, but your heart feels awake. That feeling is Ramadan. Hello, everyone. I am Paul, and welcome back to Fluent World Podcast. If this is your first time here, this podcast helps you improve your English through slow, emotional, real conversations. And today, we are talking about something very special, Ramadan. But before we go deeper, if you love peaceful content like this, press the like button right now. It really supports the channel. And in the comments, write one word that Ramadan means to you. Peace? Patience? Family? I read every comment. Now, take a slow breath and let's begin. Ramadan is not just a month. It is a pause in a noisy world. It is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar. During this month, Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset. No food, no water. But fasting is not just about hunger. It is about control. Control of your tongue, control of your anger, control of your desires. Ramadan teaches discipline, and discipline changes lives. The feeling of suhoor. Suhoor is the early morning meal. It happens before sunrise. Families wake up together. The house feels different. There is no loud music, no rushing, only quiet conversation and gratitude. You eat simple food, you drink water, and you make intention. Today, I will fast. Today, I will be patient. That moment builds strength. During the day, you feel hungry, you feel thirsty. Sometimes you feel tired, but something beautiful happens. You become aware. When someone makes you angry, you pause. When you want to complain, you stop because you remember you are fasting. Ramadan is training your soul. The beautiful moment of iftar. The sun begins to set. The sky turns orange. You hold a date in your hand. You whisper a prayer. And then you take the first sip of water. That water tastes different. It tastes like gratitude. It tastes like mercy. Families smile. Mosques are full. The atmosphere feels alive. Iftar is not just eating. It is connection with family, with community, with God. If you are still listening, comment below, I am fasting with patience. This small action builds discipline. And if this episode is giving you peace, don't forget to like the video. It helps more people discover calm content like this.